I'm coming out here to bag some tomato flowers so that the bees don't accidentally cross all my different tomato varieties. So I'm looking for flowers that haven't opened yet. Let's see. There's a little cluster. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. There we go. These right here haven't opened yet. That one already has over there, so I don't want to bag that one. But these that haven't opened yet, I'm going to put one of these little organza bags over the cluster. These are just organza bags you can get at a craft store or on Amazon. And so I'm going to put this over that little cluster and tighten it down around the stem, and I'll leave it on there until it sets fruit. And then I will mark this cluster so that I know these are good to save seeds from. Tomatoes don't cross with other varieties very often, but if you want to make sure that your varieties stay pure, then it's a good idea to bag the flowers, especially with heirlooms. I've found that brandywines have a tendency to cross with other tomatoes. So I try to bag a cluster or two from each variety each year, just to make sure that I have probably 15 different varieties out here and I don't want them all to cross. So once I bag the flowers, I'll wait until the tomatoes start to form, and then I'll take that bag off to give the tomatoes space to grow, and I'll tie a little string or something around that cluster so that I remember which one it was. And once the tomatoes are ripe, then you slice the tomato in half and scoop out the seeds. You put them in a little dish with a little bit of water, and you let them ferment for 2 to 3 days on the counter. So they usually develop a little bit of mold over the top. And then I rinse them and get the mold off, throw away any seeds that float. The seeds that sink to the bottom of your cup should be the good seeds. So those you spread out on a plate, or I like to use a piece of wax paper or something so they don't stick until they're dry. And those are your tomato seeds for next year.